Maths, ascending and descending order of numbers. So students, have you heard about this chapter? Yes, you have heard. You have done the first part in senior KG and the second part in your first standard class. First part and second part, I mean that firstly you learnt in your kindergarten. Secondly, you learnt last year. So in second standard, no change. Some numbers will be given, you have to arrange it in ascending order and descending order. So this year you are going to revise this chapter, and while you are arranging the given numbers in ascending and descending order, simultaneously you have to read and show it. You have to read it. So how you will read it, that you are going to learn in this chapter. Rest all is the same. So maths, ascending and descending order of numbers. What is an ascending order of numbers? Increasing order of numbers. So what is an ascending order of numbers? Some numbers will be given that you have to arrange it in an increasing order. Smallest number will come first, then the bigger number, and then the biggest number. Secondly, you have to count the numbers forward from smaller to bigger number. So how to choose a ascending order numbers? You have to either write the given numbers in an increasing order. So for that, what you have to do, you have to count the numbers forward in serial order. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is the serial order. This is also known as counting from the smaller number to the biggest number. So let us take an example. Example 36, 23 and 17. So 36, 23 and 17 are your given numbers. I know that you know the answer. So still we will do it step by step. This is your question. You have to write A dot O. A dot O means ascending order. So ascending order means increasing order. Increasing order means you have to write the smallest number first. So in the given numbers, which is the smallest number you see? Yes, it is 17. So you have to write 17 first. Then which is the next smallest number? Yes, it is 23. So finally you have to write the remaining number. The remaining number is 36, and 36 is your biggest number. So you have arranged the given number into ascending order. Yes or no? The given numbers were 36, 23 and 17. Teacher asked you to set the number into ascending order. So you told it is 17, 23 and 36. It is your right answer. But in second standard, one more step you have to learn, and that is OR. You can write it in sign language also. So how will you write? 17 is smaller than 23. So the sign which you see is the sign of less than. So you can say smaller than or less than. Both are same, but we will use the word less than. Okay, as we are using the symbol, we will say less than instead of smaller than. So 17 is less than 23. 23 is less than 36. So in both ways you can write, or in both ways you can read it also. Okay, so in the exam, just write down any one way of ascending order. Teacher will give you the marks. So the given example was 36, 23, 17. Ascending order is the smallest number is 17, then comes 23, then comes 36. You can read it as 17 is less than 23. Why? Because we have put the less than sign. Likewise, 23 is less than 36. Okay, so in this given question, 36 is the bigger number. I hope ascending order revision is clear to you. What is an descending order of numbers? Decreasing order of numbers. counting backward of numbers from bigger to smaller. So you are reading 1 to 100 numbers every day. Yes or no? You are counting numbers every day. Like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, so and so. These are read in increasing order. You are counting forward. Likewise, you are counting numbers from 100 to 1. Like 100, 99, 98, 97, 96. This type of reading is known as counting backward. Yes or no? Backward counting you are doing. Likewise, in descending order, some numbers will be given. So how will you how will you arrange it in descending order? You have to choose the biggest number first, then the smaller number, and then the smallest number. So for that purpose, you have to read the numbers backward. Let us take an example. Numbers are given 36, 23, 48. DO. DO means descending order. So what will be the descending order of the given number? The biggest number you have to choose first. Which number do you see? Which is the biggest number here? Yes, it is 48. Right answer. Then comes 36. Right answer. Then comes 23. So you have arranged it in descending order. Yes or no? First comes 48, right answer. Then comes 36. If you want to check it whether your answer is right or wrong, how will you do that? 48, 47, 46, 45, 44, 43, 42, 41, 40, 39, 38, 37, 36. Yes, your answer is right. Then count till 23. 36, 35, 34, 33, 32, 31, 30. 29, 28, 27, 26, 25, 24, 23. Yes, your answer is right. As I told you, one more step you have to add. So this can be written as 48 is greater than. This is the sign of greater than. So 48 is greater than 36. 36 is greater than 23. You are comparing the numbers. Yes or no? You are comparing the numbers. That's why you could arrange the given numbers in ascending and descending order. Yes or no? Yes. So 48 is greater than 36. That is why 48 is written first. Then 36 is greater than 23. That is why 36 is written next. Then whatever number remains will come at the end. So I hope descending order is clear to you. This is the sign of less than. I already taught you in the last chapter also. Two numbers will be given. You have to put the proper less than and greater than sign. Yes or no? This you have to by heart. This is the sign of greater than. So by heart this well. Let us do one unsolved example exercise. Question is 26, 19 and 47. You have to arrange in AO, that is ascending order. So which will be the smallest number you see? 19. Yes. Then comes 26. Then comes 47. This can also be written as or also be read as 19 is less than 26. So 19 is written first. 26 is less than 47. That is why 26 is written there. Whatever number remain is written at the last. That is 47. So the ascending order of the given number is 19, 26 and 47. Let us see the descending order. 47 is the biggest number. So 47 comes first, then 26, then 19. This can also be read as or written as or compared as. 47 is greater than 26. So 47 is written first. Then 26 is greater than 19. That is why 26 is written next. Whatever number remains will come at the last. So 19 is the last number. 19 is the smallest number. So I hope ascending order and descending order is understood to you. Thank you.